A top-tier air rifle scope enhances accuracy, delivers crystal-clear optics, and ensures precision with every shot. Designed for durability, it withstands harsh conditions while providing optimal light transmission. With adjustable magnification and a reliable reticle, it offers unmatched targeting efficiency. Built for stability, it minimizes recoil impact, making every shot count. In this video, we recommend the 7 best air rifle scope, based on quality, durability, price, and more. Check the description for purchase links to easily find the right choice for you. Number 7. Vortex Optics Crossfire 2-second Focal Plane Rifle Scope. The Vortex Optics Crossfire 2-second Focal Plane Rifle Scope is a top choice for accuracy and durability. The 3-9x50 model, designed for straight-wall cartridges, delivers excellent precision for hunters and shooters. Its long eye relief and ultra-forgiving eye box provide a quick and comfortable sight picture. The fast focus eyepiece ensures rapid reticle adjustments for maximum efficiency. Fully multi-coated, anti-reflective lenses enhance brightness and clarity in any lighting condition. Built from aircraft-grade aluminum, its single-piece tube guarantees exceptional strength and shock-proof performance. O-ring sealing and nitrogen purging provide waterproof and fog-proof reliability in extreme environments. It withstands harsh weather, rugged terrain, and heavy recoil for long-lasting performance. Backed by an unlimited, unconditional VIP warranty, offering lifetime repair or replacement. A premium choice for shooters seeking precision, durability, and reliability in every shot. Number 6. Element Optics Titan 3-18x50 FFP Scopes. The Element Optics Titan 3-18x50 FFP rifle scope delivers outstanding precision for long-range shooting. Its APR-2D MOA reticle features a first focal plane design with a Christmas tree pattern for quick holdovers. With fully multi-coated ED glass, it ensures crisp, high-contrast visuals in any lighting condition. The 34mm aircraft-grade aluminum tube provides unmatched durability and stability. A 50mm objective lens enhances light transmission for brighter, clearer images. Tool-free, resettable turrets with a hard mechanical zero-stop allow for precise adjustments. With 150 MOA elevation and 50 MOA windage, it excels in extreme environments. Parallax-free viewing from 10 yards to infinity ensures perfect accuracy. Waterproof, shockproof, and nitrogen-purged, it handles any weather condition. The removable magnification throw lever enhances ease of use and flexibility. Backed by a platinum lifetime warranty, it guarantees reliability for every shot. Number 5. MTC Optics King Cobra 6-24x50 f1. The MTC Optics King Cobra 6-24x50 f1 delivers precision and clarity for serious shooters. Its first focal plane reticle ensures aim points remain consistent across magnification levels. Glass-etched crosshairs provide durability and an exclusive design for enhanced targeting. Edge-to-edge multi-coated lenses offer exceptional brightness and crystal-clear image quality. Side parallax adjustment eliminates errors and improves range-finding accuracy. With a 15-yard minimum focus, it excels in airgun use and close-range shooting. Reticle illumination enhances visibility in challenging lighting and background conditions. The 30mm body tube boosts light transmission and enhances structural durability. A magnetic, rotating flip-up lens cover provides quick protection in the field. Waterproof, fog-proof, and shock-proof construction ensures longevity and reliability. Nitrogen purging maintains internal stability for consistent high-end performance. Number 4. Vortex Viper HD Rifle Scope. The Vortex Viper HD Rifle Scope delivers precision, durability, and outstanding optics for serious shooters. Its illuminated reticle offers 10 brightness settings and can be used without illumination for versatility. The dead hold BDC reticle ensures accurate holdovers for varying shooting distances. Capped turrets prevent accidental adjustments, maintaining precision in the field. Fully multi-coated lenses provide edge-to-edge clarity and distortion-free sharpness. The HD optical system enhances color fidelity and maximizes light transmission. ArmorTech coating protects lenses from scratches, dirt, and oil for long-lasting performance. Argon gas purging ensures fog-proof and waterproof integrity in any weather condition. Designed with a rugged build, it withstands harsh environments and heavy recoil. Number 3. Element Optics Helix 6-24x50 SFP Scopes. The Element Optics Helix 6-24x50 SFP delivers precision, durability, and great value. Stainless steel turret housings and a true zero-stop ensure accurate adjustments. Tool-free resettable turrets provide smooth, precise tracking. A removable magnification throw lever allows quick changes. The second focal plane EHR1C MOA reticle simplifies holdovers at various magnifications. Designed by Ted Beer, it features clear, intuitive markings. A 30mm tube and 50mm objective lens enhance light transmission. Fog-proof, shock-proof, and built to strict standards, it withstands harsh conditions. Backed by a platinum lifetime warranty for long-term reliability. Number 2. UTG 3-9x32 1-inch BugBuster Scope. The UTG 3-9x32 BugBuster Scope delivers precision, durability, and versatility. Its 1-inch tube with emerald coating ensures maximum light transmission. Zero lockable and resettable turrets provide precise 1/4 MOA adjustments. The range estimating mil-dot reticle enhances aiming accuracy. An adjustable objective from 3 yards to infinity offers excellent focus. Red/green dual illumination adapts to various lighting conditions. It features a large field of view and generous eye relief. Built on the True Strength platform, it's shockproof, fog-proof, and rainproof. Includes a 2-inch sunshade, flip-open lens caps, and quick-detach rings. Number 1. Hawke Airmax Airgun Scope 1. The Hawke Airmax Airgun Scope delivers exceptional clarity and durability. Its 16-layer fully multi-coated optics ensure sharp, clear images. The wide-view optical system enhances target acquisition for a smooth experience. A glass-etched reticle withstands high recoil, perfect for airguns. Integrated adjustable objective allows for precise parallax adjustments. The 1-inch monotube chassis offers superior strength and reliability. Low-profile 1/4 MOA fingertip turrets prevent snagging for quick adjustments. We can't mention the price, because it is constantly changing. All these links are available in the description box. Don't forget to check the update price. We will be back with more videos soon.